Here's Joel putting on the finishing touches for the turkey, which we are going to be eating for our Passover Seder. He is actually making the gravy for the turkey. Yum, yum.
This is going to be delicious. And the turkey is on the counter. We also have chicken soup. We have a vegetable kugel, which Judy made. And we have a carrot souffle. And it's all going to be delicious. And now Judy's going to show you our Seder table.
All right.
And wish everybody a happy holiday.
We're taking a walk over to the Seder table, and here we have our 2020 COVID Seder, which we are going to be doing virtually. Here's a little sign on it. If you can see, there's a rubber glove. There is Purell, and that's it. Hope everyone has a very nice Seder. If you're not celebrating, hope you just have a wonderful day.